Hello, I'm the founder and CEO of Okio, and we're building kid-friendly communication. In today's world, we expect to be able to communicate with anyone, anytime, anywhere. This wasn't always like that. Teenagers used to be unreachable until they massively adopted the use of cell phones a few years ago. There's still a segment of the population that remains mostly unreachable. Kids, the ages between 5 and 12, they spend most of the day unreachable by their parents. Now, some say that cell phones are the solution. But research tells us that parents don't want to buy a cell phone for a kid, and when they do, they regret it within a week. Cell phones are distractive, addictive, they expose them to strangers, and they are a pain to maintain. This is why we're introducing Okio One, a family of wearable communication devices linking parents and kids. They are designed to fit into the kid's lifestyle, not to change it forever. They all share a minimal user interface. So you press a button to send a message, you release it to send it, and receive a reassuring confirmation once the other end has listened to your message. Let me show you how a physical prototype looks. There is no prototype, but we do have my application here. Let's see, there's a message from my son. Let's hear it.
Dad, I took the prototype for a ride. Let me know when you need it.
I should respond to that. One moment. Milo, would you mind bringing the prototype to stage right away, please? So this goes to our private network. And here's the prototype. Just thank you, Milo. I'll be done in 2 minutes. Leave it here for you to see. And now let's talk about the market. In the US alone, this is a $1.4 billion market. This is based on the number of kids within the right age whose parents have smartphones. But the fact that we are focusing on voice allows us to focus on the larger market, the 15 billion global market. Now, this is a large and growing market, no pun intended. It's normal that there are other players trying to capture it. Now, these are recent launches that happened over the past 5 years. There are a number of corpses on that road. Nobody has really made a big dent on it. What we hear from parents is that they are really cell phones in disguise. If we look at the features they provide, they are all over the place, from geofencing to activity tracking to an electronic pet. Now, most adults, smartphone users, only use 5 apps on their phones. They don't need all of these. Kids, they don't need that either. What parents want is the ability to send a message to their kid and hear a response. That's where we're focusing on one feature only, and we're optimizing aggressively around it, which allows us to lower the cost, extend the battery life, and minimize the user experience. We can bring Okio One to market for 1/2 the device cost, 1/4 the monthly cost, and deliver 7 times the battery life of existing products in the market. So while other products, they compete on number of features, and they all have a very short battery life, we live here. We are the right team to do this. I built an engineering company that was delivering wireless innovations to companies like Google, Samsung, Sony. Pia is bringing business operation expertise and customer research. And between the two of us, we have kids 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're looking for investors who either have kids, like kids, or are not allergic to them. If you meet those criteria, please come talk to us after this. Thank you very much.